Okay, we've got a laminate flooring cutter right here. So this cuts these laminate floors. These floors are very popular right now. They're completely waterproof and very durable. And so this is a cutter. So notice it's got a nice handle on it here for carrying. It's got a lock feature that locks this handle in the down position so that the blade is not exposed. And then here's how this works. Unlock your blade. Now your blade is exposed here. You take your laminate flooring and you slide it through here, wherever your mark is. You've got a nice table on the back. So a nice long table to keep your piece flat. You've got some measurement positions that are built in here. And then you've got some angles that are built in here as well on the board. So line it up with your mark. If it's an angled cut, line it up with the angle that you need. And then there it is, nice and straight, perfect cut, easy.